The firearms world just went into overdrive. 15 insane new firearms just hit the market, and they're already causing chaos. Some models are selling out in less than a day, and manufacturers can't keep up with the demand. And trust me, you're going to want to see number 10. Hit that subscribe button because this is one list you don't want to miss. Smith & Wesson's folding pistol caliber carbine brought a unique, lightweight, and compact rifle to the market when it was introduced in 2023. Since then, new chamberings have been offered, including 40 SNW and 10mm auto. The MNP FPC 22 LR rifle adds the rimfire chambering in the mix. The features of the rimfire model follow those of the centerfire models. The rifle is optics-ready with a picotin rail along the top of the handguard and folds horizontally so that the optics can stay in place. The remaining sides of the handguard have M-lock slots, like M&P pistols. The FPC has a flat face trigger, reversible magazine release, and utilizes the same interchangeable backstraps as those used by M&P compact models. The overall size of the rimfire FPC matches its centerfire counterparts with a 16.25 in threaded barrel, but it weighs about a pound less than the 9mm Luger variants. Like the centerfire FPC rifles, the 22 LR FPC shares a magazine with a Smith & Wesson pistol. In this case, the 20-round box of the M&P 22X. 2 spare magazines are included which fit into the rifle's on-stock carrier. The M&P FPBC 22 LR has an MSRP of $549, increasingly known for budget-friendly 1911s. Tisas is stepping up in the concealed carry game with the PX9 Carry. The third-generation PX9 borrows smart features and design cues from top-tier handguns, making it a serious contender for everyday carry. While the Gen 3 PX9 Carry frame may look generic, it checks off everything a modern pistol needs. The gun uses a 3.5 in button-rifled barrel to send 9mm bullets downrange. There's a Picatinny rail dust cover for accessory mounting, and most importantly, an ergonomically shaped grip, along with interchangeable back straps. Forward and rear serrations are present on the slide, and while not deep or aggressive, they can get the job done. The slide is factory milled for the popular Trigicon RMR footprint, but the PX9 Carry also features an iron sight set consisting of a plain black rear sight along with a fiber optic front sight. Tisas is borrowing Khan's playbook of selling affordable pistols with nice triggers. The stock trigger installed on the PX9 Gen 3 carries nothing short of amazing for a gun with an MSRP under $370. Though not the most attractive-looking handgun, it's fully featured, lacking only an ambidextrous slide release. Even so, with an MSRP of $369, the shooter still gets a pistol with an exquisite trigger and optics-ready capability. Not to mention parts commonality with different established handguns already in major circulation. Thompson Center made hunting history when it introduced the first single-shot break-action Encore pistol. This pistol has handled everything from rifle to handgun cartridges, while still delivering MOA accuracy. And now it's chambered in the powerhouse 50 Alaskan. Aside from this unique chambering, the 50 Alaskan model includes a bright metal finish, a heavy 15-in barrel, the TC muzzle brake, and topped off with a 2.5 to 7x handgun scope. The Revolution G1 Contender Crusher Walnut grips with finger grooves and walnut fender or stock. The Encore's Dragoon-style trigger guard is a full-in wide, which makes opening the action easy. The ejector doesn't kick cartridges out of the gun, but rather pushes them up far enough to be plucked from the chamber. The hammer is a rebounding safety type, rising up off the firing pin after the shot's been fired. These single-shot handguns are deadly at most rifle ranges once you learn to shoot them accurately. Get to a solid sitting position, and if possible, use a folding bipod to steady the gun. The more time you spend at the range, the greater your confidence will be. With a good solid rest and a gradual trigger pull, these pistols are by far the best way to go. Out of production for more than a quarter century, the moon-clipped Smith & Wesson 940 snub-nose wheel gun has been resurrected and modernized. While the 940 was only produced between 1991 and 1998, huge advances in bullet and propellant design have made 9mm more popular than ever, meaning that in many cases, the variety of self-defense loads available at local retailers in the caliber is greater than any other. With that in mind, rebooting the 940 makes sense. This new iteration has several upgrades over the original. VZ grips come standard as well as XS sights with an improved sight picture and a tritium night sight in the front blade. Thankfully, like other older Smith & Wesson revolvers, the new 940 does not have the dreaded internal lock mechanism. This is a fully stainless steel gun with a 2.17 in barrel. It weighs in at 23.5 Oz. The hammer is fully internal, and this is a double-action only revolver. Because the 9mm cartridge is rimless, it requires the use of moon clips. Those clips retain the cartridges while they're inserted and ejected from the cylinder as a single unit. The MSRP is 990 sanars, and it ships with 3 clips. Building on the company's crowd-favorite CR920 platform, Texas-based Shadow Systems has introduced a stretched variant with a match-grade barrel. The focal point of the CR920XL is its 4.18 in match-grade barrel, a considerable departure from the original CR920's 3.41 in tube. A longer barrel gives a real ballistic benefit. More muzzle velocity, better sight radius, and consequently better accuracy. This benefit, though, comes at the expense of another. The longer barrel and slide necessarily make the pistol longer overall, making concealment slightly more inconvenient, especially for those who prefer appendix or pocket carry. Despite this, the CR920XL stays within the envelope of most G43X holsters and retains its micro-compact status. Barrel finish choices also set the CR920XL apart. Shadow Systems provides both the traditional black nitride and a decidedly eye-catching bronze titanium carbon nitride coating. Perhaps the most identifying characteristic of the CR920XL is its 15+1 flush-fit magazine. This capacity, previously the realm of full-size or double-stack compacts, is now seen in a platform suitable for carry. If you want to put in more target practice, but ammo availability and pricing have got you down, Retail Arms has a rimfire semi-auto pistol that might do the job for you. For $279, you're getting a pistol with a threaded 4-in barrel made of chrome-finished AIS 4140 steel, a front and rear serrated slide that's drilled and tapped for RMR or RMSC optics, and a universal mounting plate, and a frame made of 7275 aluminum alloy with a polymer lower that includes a Picatinny rail dust cover, allowing end users to mount lights or lasers. The magazines are weighted so they drop free quickly when you're rapid firing at the range. Those mags are available in 10-round, 13-round, and 18-round capacities. The pistol is hammer-fired and capable of single-action or double-action fire. A manual safety is located behind the left side of the grip. There appears to be no provision for an ambidextrous safety. The RX-P22 is available in OD green, FDE, matte black, or sniper gray finish, or a two-tone finish. Springfield Armory has taken the popularity of their Echelon pistol and absolutely run with it. With threaded barrels, varying magazine capacities, and unique colorways, it's a fully built-out suite of handguns. Now, to add to that mix comes the Echelon 4.0 C-Comp 9mm. The main appeal of the new 4.0 C-Comp model is its discrete single-port integral compensator that should reduce muzzle rise and make for a much more shootable pistol. Springfield also smartly placed the front sight behind the comp, so your sight picture remains uninterrupted while firing. Speaking of sights, the new Echelon features UDOT sights and an optics-ready slide that uses the variable interface system. This system can be adjusted to fit a wide variety of popular footprints and the optics attached directly to the slide. No plates involved. Another notable feature is the Echelon's self-contained serialized stainless steel chassis that allows for quickly changing out grip modules. The 4.0C comp ships with the small grip and 3 back straps, but medium and large grip modules are available as well. Each Echelon 4.0C comp ships with a soft handgun case, 1 flush-fit 15-round magazine, and 1 extended 18-round mag. Reduced capacity models are available as well, and all variants share an MSRP of $750. Palmetto State Armories partnered with Maximum Defense to equip the 9mm ARV with their advanced roller-delayed buffer system. The result? One of the smoothest shooting 9mm pistol caliber carbines available today. The original ARV was already a fun, affordable PCC, but the Saber treatment pushes it into premium territory. Without breaking the bank, the RBD system alone is a huge upgrade for anyone looking to train hard with a 9mm AR pistol while keeping control tight and recoil light. As far as features go, the Saber ARV comes well appointed out of the box. Up front, you've got an 8-inch nitride treated chrome Moly steel threaded barrel with a 1-in-10 twist capped off with a birdcage-style A2 flash hider. Surrounding it's a 7.25 in Saber QD rail finished in burnt bronze Cerakote, giving you both modularity and a sharp look. Machined from billet 7075 T6 aluminum with a moss green Cerakote finish. The lower, it's purpose-built to accept both ARV9 and CZ Scorpion magazines. The trigger setup is a Saber 2-stage DLC trigger paired with JP reduced power springs, giving you a crisp, responsive pull. Add in the Radiant Raptor LT charging handle, Radiant Talon ambidextrous safety, and the SB Tactical SBA4 adjustable stock, and you've got an ergonomic platform that's both comfortable and reliable. And yes, it includes last round bolt hold open and has an MSRP of $1,699. Building off the popular Shield design, Smith & Wesson has evolved one of its most popular handguns into the M&P Shield X. The first and most notable design change comes in the grip. The Shield X has a deep beaver tail cut for a deeper purchase and a more secure grasp, also lowering the bore axis for the shooter. The redesigned grip texture is aggressive without being overly coarse. The Shield X also features a new slide design with front slide serrations for those who like to press, check, or charge the handgun from the front. An integrated front rail and squared-off trigger guard allows users to mount a variety of light and laser accessories, and an RMSC optics-ready footprint provides direct mount red dot capabilities. When utilizing an optic on the Shield X, Smith & Wesson's clear sight cut is designed to divert gases away from the red dot glass, preserving an unobstructed view. The iron sights are metal, featuring a blacked-out rear sight with a bright green night sight post in the front. The Shield X feeds from flush-fit 13-round magazines, and an extended 15-round magazine is included. A 10-round compliant version is available as well. While it's a bit larger than the original Shield, and even the Shield Plus, the upgrades may be worth it for shooters looking to step up their carry setup. Savage has updated its 110 Scout model in a number of ways, notably adding a Magpul hunter stock to the design. The enhanced stock incorporates an aluminum bedding block that isolates the barreled action from the stock, promoting accuracy and consistency by free-floating the barrel. Also included is an adjustable length of pull from 13 in to 15 in, as well as an adjustable comb and 8 separate M-lock attachment points on the forend. Another update is the addition of an extended scout-length Picatinny optics rail, allowing users to make use of long eye relief rifle scopes. The optics rail incorporates an integrated rear peep sight, which can be removed. An AR-15 style front sight is adjustable for elevation. The 110 Magpul Scouts equipped with a 10-round AICS-style detachable box magazine, except when chambered in 450 Bushmaster, which has a 4-round capacity. The user-adjustable ACU trigger allows for a customizable trigger pull, ranging from 1.5 to 4 lbs for a smooth and precise shot. The 3-position Tang safety provides added security, while the factory blueprinted action provides more performance. All Savage 1-10 Magpul Scout models have an MSRP of $1,059. Launched as the official sidearm of the SIG Sauer off-duty program, SIG P320 MOD blends competition-grade performance with the practicality of an off-duty carry option. The P320 MOD is built around a lightweight polymer X series, grip module enhanced with Hogue Raptor adhesive grip tape, custom cut for the pistol to ensure maximum traction in adverse conditions like sweat or rain. The pistol features a 3.9 in barrel, paired with a 2-port slide integrated compensator, which reduces recoil and keeps the muzzle flat for faster follow-up shots. Unlike traditional compensators, this integrated design eliminates the need for timing of additional barrel support, maintaining reliability and simplicity. Optics ready with a Pro-Cut slide, the P320 MOD comes standard with a Romeo X enclosed red dot sight. It co-witnesses with X-Ray 3 day-night sights, featuring a tritium front sight for low-light conditions. The slide, a Legion Max hybrid, sports aggressive front and rear serrations for easy manipulation, reminiscent of the P320 Max competition pistol. A Springer Precision extended magazine catch enhances reload speed without requiring the shooter to adjust their grip. And a removable magwell and grip weight add balance and customization. The P320 MOD features a crisp, flat face, low-profile trigger, thinner than standard models but retaining the renowned P320 trigger pull, smooth take-up, clean break, and consistent performance. By opting for a polymer grip module instead of the heavier TXG, SIG ensures the pistol remains lightweight and carry-friendly. The pistol ships with 3 21-round magazines. That's our list of 15 insane new guns from SHOT Show 2026. If you want in-depth field tests, a head-to-head comparison, especially a deep dive on Danger 10, or a carry George holster guide for any of these, comment below and we'll make it happen. Smash that like button, subscribe for upcoming reviews and hands-on demos, and ring the bell so you don't miss new content. Important reminder, firearms come with responsibility. Always practice safe handling, follow range protocols, and obey your local laws. See you next round. Stay safe and shoot straight.